Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to discuss few more questions of 3 marks in the episode of revision of 3 marks questions for the examination 2021. Now friends, previously we have uploaded first part and this is the part 2. I request you to watch the first part also, and also request you to download the PDF file from the description box which is related to revision video links, and watch all the videos related to the revision for the examination 2021. Now let us see the first question of today's episode. Now friends, here is the first question on the screen. A cone of maximum size is cut out from the cube of edge 14 centimeter. Find the surface area of the remaining solid. Friends, here it is in the figure shown that from the cube the cone is carved out or scooped out, you can say that cut out or removed. Then what will happen, whatever this curved surface area of the cone is, that part will become visible and it will become the surface area, and so that much surface area of the cube will increase. But at the same time this circular part gets removed, and so this much area will get decreased, and therefore we can write that the area of the remaining solid, surface area of the remaining solid, that is equal to surface area of cube, surface area of cube plus curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone minus this much part will get removed, so area of the circle will get removed, and therefore that will be area of circle minus area of circle. So here in the curved surface area of a cone, the formula is pi r L, and we will require L. So first we will find the L, that is the slant height, that is equal to r square plus h square, and so which is equal to square root of radius. Total diameter will be the edge of the cube, and so that edge is given as 14 centimeter, so the radius will be 7 centimeter, so it will be 7 square, that is 49, plus here it will be height will be also equal to what, the edge of the cube, that will be the height of the cone, and that will be 14 centimeter, so 14 square will be equal to 196, and this is equal to square root of 245. So here the slant height is equal to square root of 245. Now we will solve this. The area of the remaining solid, that is equal to surface area of the cube, that is 6a square, 6 into side square, plus curved surface area of cone, that is pi r L, minus area of circle is pi r square, so which is equal to, go on solving this. So here it will be 6a square plus pi will be the common factor, pi r will be the common factor, so take it out as a common factor, pi r. Inside the bracket it will be L minus r, so which is equal to 6a square, that is 6 into a is 14 centimeter, so it will be 14 square, plus pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 7. Inside the bracket L is what, root of 245. Slant height we have calculated as root of 245 minus r, that is 7, and so which is equal to 6 into 14 square. 14 square is 196 into 6, that will give you 1176. Here 7 and 7 will get cancelled, so it will be 22. Inside the bracket square root of 245 minus 7. So friends, which is equal to 11 176 plus multiply by 22 inside the bracket, so it will be 22 square root of 245 minus 22 into 7, that will be 154. So which is equal to, so here equal to 1176 minus 154. We will do this subtraction. So 1176 minus 154, that will be equal to 1022 plus, here this 245 can be written as 7 root of 5, correct? So it will be 22 into 7, that will be 154 into root of 5, and therefore the area of the remaining solid will be 1022 plus 154 root 5 square centimeter. Now let us move to the next question. In triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC. This AD is perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to thrice of CD. This BD, this distance is given as thrice of CD, correct? And this distance is CD. Okay, and we have to prove that twice of AB square is equal to twice of AC square plus BC square. What we have to prove? Twice of AB square plus twice of AC square plus BC square. So here we require AB square, correct? AB square. So AB square we will get, this is perpendicular to BC, so this will be a right angle triangle. So in this triangle we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABD, in this triangle we can write that AB square, square of the hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is AD square plus BD square. Let this be equation number 1. Now similarly in this triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, we have square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, which is equal to AD square plus DC square. Let this be number 2. The reason for this is Pythagoras theorem, and the reason for this is also Pythagoras theorem. Now subtract the equation 1 and 2. So subtracting 1 and 2, we will get that AB square minus AC square, correct? Because we want AB square and AC square, so we have subtracted these two, and if you subtracted this side, AD square and AD square will get removed, will get cancelled, and you will get BD square, which is equal to BD square minus DC square. So here it is AB square minus AC square, which is equal to BD square minus DC square. Now this we want as BC square. We will have to convert this into BC square because we want BC square here in the proof. So here this is to be converted into BC square. So this DC square, this relation is given that BD is equal to, DC is equal to thrice of CD. So in place of BD, you can write as thrice of CD. So this will be thrice of CD bracket square minus CD square. DC square is nothing but CD square. So which is equal to, so that will be 3 CD square, that is 9 CD square minus CD square. So 9 CD square minus CD square, that will be 8 CD square. But now here CD we can write as CD. This we can write as in terms of BC as what? It will be 1/4 of BC, correct? 1/4 of BC. CD, that is equal to 1/4 of BC. So which is equal to 8 into bracket 1/4 of BC bracket square. So which is equal to 8 into 1/4 square, that is 1/16 BC square. And so which is equal to which is equal to 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So take 2 to this side. So it will become 2ab square minus 2ac square, 2ac square, which is equal to bc square. And take twice ac square to this side. So it will be twice of ab square, which is equal to twice of ac square, because this minus will become plus, plus bc square, and hence it is proved. Now move to the next question. The next question is that in a 2-digit numbers, the tens digit is 3 times the units digit. When the number is decreased by 54, the digits are reversed. Find the number. So friends, first we will assume that let the unit place digit be x and the tens place digit is y, and therefore the number formed, that will be equal to what? 10y plus x. The number formed will be 10y plus x, because to the tens place digit we multiply by 10 and add the unit place digit to get that number. So here the number will be 10y plus x, but it is given that the tens place digit is 3 times the unit place digit, and therefore by condition in the question, it is that y will be equal to 3x, correct? Because the tens place digit, that is y, is 3 times that of the unit place digit. So y is equal to 3x. And now here it is the second condition. By condition 2, when the number is decreased by 54, when the number, this is the original number, if the number is decreased by 54, so minus 54, then what will happen? The digits get reversed, means the unit place digit will become tens place digit and tens place digit will become unit place digit, and therefore that reversed number will be what? 10x plus y. Now solve this equation. So if you take y to this side, it will become minus y. So 10y minus y, that will be equal to 9y. And this will be 10x and x. So if you take 10x to this side, it will become minus 10x and plus x, that will be minus 9x, which is equal to, take 54 to other side, so which is equal to 54. So here we know that y is equal to 3x, so put the value of y here as a 3x, so it will be 9 into 3x minus 9x, which is equal to 54. Now which is equal to 9 3s are 27, so it will be 27x minus 9x, which is equal to 54. So here 7x minus 9x, that will be equal to 18x, which is equal to 54. So 18 ones are 18, 18 3s are 54, so x is equal to 3. We have got the unit place digit, that is 3. Now to find the tens place digit, we know that the y is equal to 3x, so put y is equal to 3x, so put the value of 3 here as x, so y will be equal to 3 into 3, and that is equal to 9. So we have got y is equal to 9, so we got the tens place digit as 9, and therefore the required number that will be equal to required number, 2-digit number, that will be equal to tens place digit is 9 and unit place digit is 3, so it will be 93. So friends, today we will stop here, and I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.